this tutorial, I will show you how to make a cool glow transition. So if you're interested, keep on watching. Go to the project panel, click on new item, then select adjustment layer. Drag and drop it onto the timeline and set the duration to 20 seconds. Now in the effects panel, find the ProCamp effect. Drag and drop it onto the adjustment layer. Now create the first keyframe at the beginning and set the brightness to 0. Then set another keyframe in the middle to 100. Finally, create the last keyframe at the end and set it to 0. And that's how you get the glow transition. For more videos, don't forget to subscribe and I will see you in my next tutorial. Bye!